Hello, potential Illinois college students. I'm Dr. Kara Doris, and I teach creative writing here at IC. I've been a professional writer and teacher for over a decade, and I've realized that although we need to understand our literary histories, those writers who have come generations before us and paved the way, we are also writing for now, and by we, I mean you too. We are writing for our peers, our unique circumstances, our current political divide, and the COVID pandemic. I might love Shakespeare, and I do, but I love our current US Poet Laureate Joy Harjo more. In one of her poems, Harjo wrote, "Remember, you are this universe, and this universe is you." So, if you've ever been a closet poet or storyteller or wanted to be, I urge you to pull those poems and stories out of those dusty drawers and forgotten notebooks. Whether turning in creative writing assignments for class or submitting to our student run literary journal Forte, we want to read your thoughts, those hopes and concerns and dreams that connect us all today, right now. So I hope to see you all you burgeoning writers, here at IC next year.